In the icy waters of the North Atlantic, a legend was born. The RMS Titanic, touted as unsinkable, met its tragic fate on April 15, 1912. This documentary explores hidden truths and controversies surrounding the disaster. The sinking of the Titanic has been retold countless times. But what if there were details deliberately omitted? Join us as we uncover lesser-known aspects of one of history's most famous maritime disasters. Why did the Titanic sink despite advanced technology and rigorous safety measures? Could there have been preventable errors or undisclosed factors that contributed to its catastrophic end? From conflicting eyewitness accounts to discrepancies in official records, many questions remain unanswered. We delve into theories suggesting a cover-up involving wealthy passengers and corporate interests. What secrets lie beneath the waves, concealed by time and conspiracy? Our journey seeks the truth behind the myths and legends of the Titanic, revealing new insights into this enduring tragedy. Explore the complex web of decisions, communications, and actions leading up to the disaster. Discover how the narrative of the Titanic has evolved over a century, often overshadowing critical details. Unearth the untold stories of the Titanic's crew and passengers. Who had the power to change the course of events, and why did they choose not to? These questions challenge the accepted version of history. Through meticulous research and analysis, we aim to shed light on long-forgotten documents, testimonies, and artifacts. Join us as we piece together the puzzle of the Titanic, unveiling a story far more complex than previously known. Could the sinking of the Titanic have been more than just an accident? As we explore hidden archives and controversial theories, prepare to question everything you thought you knew about this legendary tragedy. On April 10, 1912, the Titanic set sail from Southampton, England, embarking on its ill-fated maiden voyage. The ship was considered unsinkable due to its advanced design and numerous safety features. As the Titanic crossed the Atlantic, it faced increasingly dangerous ice conditions. Despite warnings, the ship continued at full speed, leading to a catastrophic collision with an iceberg. The impact caused significant damage below the waterline, flooding several compartments. However, the ship's watertight compartments were designed for less severe breaches, not this scale of disaster. With the ship rapidly taking on water, Captain Smith ordered lifeboats to be launched. Yet there were far fewer lifeboats than needed, causing many passengers to drown when the Titanic sank. After the sinking, survivors were rescued by the Carpathia, but many questions remained unanswered. Why weren't there enough lifeboats? Why didn't the Titanic alter course despite ice warnings? In the aftermath, inquiries revealed that the White Star Line had cut corners on safety, prioritizing luxury over passenger safety. This negligence contributed to one of history's deadliest maritime disasters. The British Board of Trade Investigation found that the number of lifeboats aboard ships was insufficient. This led to new maritime regulations requiring all ships to carry enough lifeboats for every passenger. Despite these findings, some believe a cover-up occurred. Questions remain about why the ship continued at high speed, near known ice fields, raising suspicions of deliberate negligence. Others suggest the ship's designers knew of flaws but chose to ignore them. The Titanic's rudder was too small for its size, making it difficult to maneuver swiftly away from obstacles. The radio operators aboard the Titanic received multiple ice warnings from other ships. However, these warnings were not passed on to the captain, possibly due to miscommunication or intentional disregard. Investigations also uncovered discrepancies in the number of people on board. Some argue that wealthy passengers bribed officials to secure spots, while others claim the actual number exceeded official records. The sinking of the Titanic continues to fascinate historians and the public alike. Its story raises critical questions about corporate responsibility, safety regulations, and the human cost of complacency. In recent years, researchers have discovered new evidence suggesting that the Titanic's owners were aware of potential dangers but prioritized profit over safety. These revelations challenge our understanding of the disaster. The exact cause of the Titanic's sinking remains debated. Was it solely due to an unfortunate collision, or did corporate negligence play a significant role? The truth may never be fully known. Today, the wreckage of the Titanic lies 2 miles beneath the Atlantic Ocean, a silent witness to one of history's greatest tragedies. It serves as a haunting reminder of the consequences of human hubris. Despite ongoing debates and investigations, the Titanic's legacy continues to captivate audiences worldwide. Its story is a cautionary tale about the perils of overconfidence and the importance of safety in maritime travel. New discoveries continue to emerge, shedding light on previously unknown aspects of the Titanic's journey and sinking. These findings help us understand the complex factors that led to this maritime tragedy. One theory suggests that the Titanic's steel hull was weakened by impurities, making it more vulnerable to damage from the iceberg. This hypothesis challenges earlier assumptions about the ship's structural integrity. Another aspect of the Titanic mystery involves the ship's distress calls. Some believe that nearby vessels heard the Titanic's SOS, but chose not to respond, perhaps due to competing commercial interests. The Titanic's sinking has inspired numerous films and books, often romanticizing its story. However, the true narrative is more complex, involving human error, corporate greed, and tragic loss of life. Recent research indicates that the iceberg might have been larger than initially thought, contributing to the severity of the collision and the rapid sinking of the ship. This adds another layer to the ongoing debate about the disaster. The Titanic's sinking prompted changes in maritime law and practices, including improved lifeboat requirements and communication protocols. These reforms have helped prevent similar tragedies since 1912. Today, the Titanic continues to be a symbol of human ambition and the risks associated with technological advancements. Its story reminds us of the importance of safety and responsibility in our pursuit of progress. While the Titanic's final moments remain etched in memory, the full extent of its story continues to unfold. Ongoing research and discovery keep the legend alive, challenging us to learn from history and prevent future disasters. The Titanic was equipped with only 20 lifeboats, far fewer than needed for all passengers. This oversight highlights a tragic flaw in maritime safety standards of the era, leading to avoidable loss of life. The ship's wireless operators sent distress signals, but many ships were too far away to assist. The Carpathia arrived hours later, rescuing survivors, but leaving many to perish in icy waters. The investigation after the disaster revealed negligence and miscommunication among crew members. Safety protocols were lax, contributing significantly to the high death toll. In the aftermath, new regulations were implemented to improve maritime safety. However, some argue that crucial evidence was suppressed, altering the true narrative of the Titanic tragedy. As the final inquiry concluded, many questions remained unanswered, overshadowed by the official narrative. The true extent of negligence and cover-ups may never fully come to light. However, the tragic loss of life prompted crucial reforms in maritime law, ensuring safer voyages for future generations, a silver lining amidst the tragedy. Today, historians continue to uncover hidden details of the Titanic disaster, piecing together a more complete picture of what truly happened on that fateful night. Despite the passage of time, the story of the Titanic remains a poignant reminder of human fallibility and the importance of accountability in times of crisis. By understanding and learning from past mistakes, we honor those who perished and ensure such tragedies are not repeated in our future endeavors. The legend of the Titanic continues to captivate us, but it is the lessons learned that must endure for the sake of all maritime travelers. As we reflect on this tale, remember the critical importance of transparency and responsibility in shaping a safer world for everyone. The Titanic story serves as a powerful narrative, urging us to seek truth and justice, even when confronted with daunting challenges. Let us embrace a legacy of integrity and safety, honoring those who lost their lives by striving for a world where such disasters are prevented. In memory of the past, and for the hope of the future, let us commit to uncovering the full truth and acting upon it for the benefit of all. Thank you for watching. Share your thoughts below, and consider researching further into this enduring mystery. Remember, history teaches us to always question what we're told.